Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So the gateio exchange just introduced the trade of gold, silver and other global traditional financial market assets on the official gateio exchange. All right, now gold especially has been on the huge run lately, running over 5,500 in price, and this has sparked interest from crypto traders wanting to trade gold on the gateio exchange. All right, so if you make use of gateio exchange and you want to benefit not only from the crypto trading, you also want to benefit from other financial assets in the financial markets. Now you have the liberty to do that. You can trade gold, you can trade silver, you can trade forex, and you can trade stocks and different other precious metals. So all of these are now available on the gateio exchange. All right, if you read this a bit, you discover as global financial markets continue to converge, users demand for cross assets, multi-market and integrated trading solutions keep growing. All right, Gates continues to expand its product boundaries and has now built a comprehensive trading ecosystem covering crypto assets, global traditional financial assets, delivering a more diversified, flexible and efficient multi-asset trading experience. All right, now currently Gates supports a wide range of asset classes including stocks, indices, precious metals and trade 5 global financial assets. All right, you can see this right here. So you'll be able to trade all of these right now on the gateio exchange. And one good thing guys is that you can trade this both on futures and as well on spot. All right, so if you want to hold gold on spot, you can always come up here, buy it and hold. All right, and you can as well choose to sell when you want to sell. Now to access this, all you have to do guys is just to go ahead and update your gateio trading app. Then you're going to see this one that says trade file right here. Once you click on it, you'll be able to select the place you want to trade. You can choose to enter the forex section, or you can see this is the forex section, SAUSD, or you can choose to enter the precious metals. You can see this right here, the precious metals section. You'll be able to see some precious metals and the pairs you'll be able to use to trade it. All right, those as well have the indices, that's now 100, US30 and all the rest of them. Then stocks, you'll be able to trade stocks. All these pairs are now available on the gateio exchange. All right, but we all know that these financial pairs are subject to market volatility. All right, so if you're trading, you trade with caution and you trade with risk management. All right, so with this now, you don't have to go through all the stress of connecting your MT5 or your MT4 to your broker, and you can just do this on the gateio app. All right, and also be watchful about the market spread and the lot size, so you won't be able to expose yourself to too much risk in the broader financial market. All right, now if you have questions to ask on this and the introduction of these other financial assets on the gateio exchange, do well to put it down in the comment section and I'll be glad to respond to your questions immediately. If you're not yet a member of this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to all, so you always get notifications of important videos like this. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.